Cooking with Claudia, ayy. Cooking with Claudia, ayy. Let's make some Jamaican brown stew chicken. At this point, everybody knows I'm clean like a washing machine, right? Alright. So make sure you clean that chicken with vinegar, lime, all of that. Follow these steps because it's the only right way to clean your chicken. Yeah? We don't talk. And make sure you wash that sink in between every step too. Wash all that veg properly because there's no cheating around here. Cut up all the veg just like that. Yeah, girl. That is it. Look at that. Now we're gonna season up that chicken with all that good seasoning, you know, mix everything together and cover it up. Now in the meantime, we're gonna make some dumplings, baby. Yeah, cause we're done with the rice. Watch how we do with it. Yeah, cover it and then burn the brown sugar. If you don't have browning, add the chicken and mix everything together. Add the corn, add some ketchup and then taste it. Add the rest of the veg and let it bubble down. Now, watch me angle these dumplings. Yeah, girl, just like that. We're also gonna boil some plantains, so add all of those to a pot of boiling water and look at that. Y'all see that? Yeah, I did that. From now on, I go by the name Chef Claudia K. Period. Thank you.